Hello and welcome to this new video on how to turn on dark mode on Shein. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos, and let's get started. So firstly, we need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Go to the search bar and type Shein and press enter in the keyboard. After that, search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Shein official website. Just click on it and this interface will be shown to you. Now you just have to look in the top right corner. There are multiple icons. You just have to look to the left side icon, that is a person icon, and a pop-up box will open and you can just go down and look in my profile or click in my profile and this interface will be open. You can just go through everything that is provided in this interface. You won't be able to find the dark mode for Shein. So Shein doesn't provide an official authentic dark mode for you. So there isn't any way for you to turn dark mode on in the Shein official website. So to conclude, there isn't any dark mode option in Shein. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.